When I first created my Raising Conscious Sons workshop, it was really on this inspiration, this passion I had after I watched the Netflix series Adolescence. But I had no idea how deeply this was going to strike a nerve. I didn't know that there were so many parents, especially of boys, who were confused and anxious. They were suffering in silence. They were watching their sons shut down and disappear into rooms and into their screens or lash out, and they were feeling powerless how to reach them. I didn't realize how desperate these parents were for tools and for guidance and for a new way to raise their sons. They didn't want to raise their sons using control or fear or punishment, but they were tired of the battles, the back and forth, the arguments over the screens and the video games. What made this workshop so powerful is not only that a community of parents joined together to watch it, but it just didn't offer ideas. It also offered real tools and strategies. I taught parents how to connect with their sons. Now, it was only a 1 hour, 2 hour workshop, so I couldn't do everything, but I began the journey of understanding our boys, their brain development, their emotional needs, the energetic differences between boys and girls, how boys are wired for movement and freedom and problem solving and emotional containment, but not using control or shame or the traditional strategies that we typically use. I taught how powerful conscious parenting can be because it teaches attunement. And this attunement is what will protect our boys from the toxic influences of the world, the misogyny, the rage, the manosphere. Parents left this workshop not just with strategies, but with hope and clarity and the start of a path back to their sons. Because the truth is, my friends, our boys are in a crisis. So are our girls. Next month, I'm going to do a workshop for the girls. These children are growing up in a world flooded with pressures to perform and a culture that rewards disconnection. Traditional parenting is not going to reach your sons. Authoritarian methods are going to break them further. That's why conscious parenting is the answer. Thousands of parents have already taken this workshop and started their journey. That's not just about their sons, it's about healing themselves. So if you feel you're losing your son and you're afraid of where the world is going to take him, please don't wait. Join me. I'll show you the way back to your son, back to that connection that both of you crave for. Type the word boy, B-O-Y, and I'll send you the details.